Namaskar, myself Dr. Priyanka. Today I will tell you about Ayurveda drug that is Chirayata. Chirayata is very ancient drug, it is Ayurveda drug and it is popular. So basically it is useful in fever condition. Fever in Ayurveda we can say that Visham Jwar, and in modern and today's time you can say that malaria, typhoid, dengue, etc. So it is useful in fever condition where the patient has a severe headache, body ache, hysteria, convulsion and he is restless. At that condition we can use a single drug that is called a Chirayata. It has a great role in liver. So because it is hepatoprotective, hepatostimulant, so we can use this drug in jaundice and in liver disorder also. It has a great role in digestion, in metabolism, because it decreases the LDL and you can say bad cholesterol. So it also reduces weight and it enhances the metabolism. It is also useful in diabetic condition because it has a great role on pancreas, on liver, because it is hepatoprotective. So we can use this drug in diabetic condition also. And it is also useful in skin disease like acne, pimple, eczema, boils, itching, burning sensation. And it is bitter in taste, so you can use this drug in acidity or hyperacidity or heartburn, and that condition we can use this drug. It is antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and anti-asthmatic, so you can use this drug in common cold, cough, asthma, etc. It has a dose 1 to 3 gram, but it can be vary according to the age, sex and condition of the patient. Now it has no side effect, but when you can take this drug in overdose, then it can cause nausea. So I suggest you to please take this drug under the guidance of qualified or certified Ayurveda doctor. I hope you will understand about Chirayata. Thank you.